Carla, alam mo, nung kahapon na guest natin yung Tahanang Walang Hagdan at meron silang programa, ito yung tinatawag na Access 2020, kung saan makikita mo dito yung galing ng mga kapatid nating PWDs.
Yes, and actually, naka-intern ako dyan sa Tahanang Walang Hagdan at parang nakatulong rin ako sa mga ginagawa nila. Actually, yung natulungan ko sila, gumawa sila ng mga lanterns.
Wow.
So, very talented talaga. At ngayon, yan ang mapapag-usapan natin, ang world-class talent ng mga Pinoy PWDs despite yung mga challenges na hinaharap nila. And for that, kasama natin ang ating very special guest na si Ma'am Cecil Guedote Alvarez. Good morning!
Good morning.
Oo, favorite natin si Miss Cecil
Oo
dito.
nga.
Lagi siya nag-guest sa Good Morning Boss. So, Miss Cecil, naimbitahan pala ng UNESCO itong mga kapatid nating PWDs to perform at ipakita ang kanilang world-class talent. So, siguro kwentuhan niyo po kami.
Kasi nakatutuwa po na there are 194 member nations of UNESCO, and the United Nations declared a special day for persons with disabilities, and that is December 3, which opens up the Human Rights Week. December 10 ang Human Rights Day. So, nakatutuwa po na dito sa Global Forum, para bigyan ng diin ang karapatan at yung pagkalinga sa mga may kapansanan, napili ang Pilipinas para i-highlight itong event with the performance of the Earth Savers, which have been honored twice already by UNESCO as Artists for Peace, and the sixth only in the world that has been declared a UNESCO Dream Center, meaning who uses the use of drama, music, arts for education. So, na ma-highlight ang kagalingan, we call them handi-capable.
Ganda.
Hindi handicap, handi-capable. Because our singers are blind, but they can also dance. Nakakapagtinikling, nakakapagsayaw sa bangko. Kahit na crippled, whether you're cerebral palsy or polio victim, you're able to move when people think that you're bound only to a wheelchair. Nakatutuwa po na binibigyan nila ng pansin itong ganitong pagkalinga, because the United Nations during the last conference had a special high-level discussion on persons with disabilities, and they have accepted that parang nawala sa radar screen ang caring for the handicap when you're talking of sustainable development. So there has been this covenant that was approved, and we hope, katulad binanggit niyo ang Tahanang Walang Hagdanan, we also work with them. You will be amazed that there is a creative industry that emanates from persons with disabilities. Ang arts and crafts nila, we gifted the UNESCO Director General, who is the first one ever to head UNESCO and re-elected now, Director Irina Bokova from Bulgaria. Mural painting by persons with disabilities. Magkakasama yan yung mouth painter, lahat, etc. And they were amazed because the topic was on defying disasters and climate change. Ito lang nangyari sa atin na globally we thank everybody for the great attention and compassion being shown. Magugulat ho kayo na anybody who has survived somehow is already handicapped, psychologically or physically. And we hope this integrated, cohesive, harmonious performance ng mga handi-capable artists will showcase the strength of spirit of the Pinoys, that they can overcome adversity.
Ang resilience ng mga Pilipino.
The resilience, their perseverance, their faith in God. Actually, this trip to Paris, bringing the blind, the deaf, the crippled, etc., is really very difficult, but we synergize them with other vulnerable, yung indigenous, yung street kid, or out-of-school youth. And it would not have happened, like for instance, the instant visa, Schengen ito, that the French embassy, and we want to thank the ambassador, pati na ang cultural attaché nila, the audiovisual attaché, everybody was helping, the visa head, Mr. Camille Season, because instantly binigyan ng Schengen visa. Pangalawa, Malayan Insurance. Hindi naman makaka-travel kung wala, no? So they allow the fly now, pay later trip, you know, as they're still knocking at the doors of NCCA or PAGCOR for the trip, but they're making it because it's really an expression of the strength of our spirit.
Pero
That
Miss,
we can prevail, di
pero
ba?
Miss Cecil, ano po yung training ng mga PWDs natin? Ano po yung mga paghahandang ginawa nila?
Kami po kasi, ang module namin for training handicapable artists, sa tawag nga namin cultural caregiving, is interdisciplinary. So, all disciplines of the arts, from visual arts, music, dance, video, pati writing, this is part of their process. Not because they're disabled, akala mo, katulad ng bulag, hindi na pwedeng gumalaw. Oo. So, they're not just given voice lessons or using instruments, no? It's also basically to be able to express not just their feelings, but also to reflect on the situation. Magugulat kayo na pwede silang magbigay ng kanilang pananaw tungkol sa MDGs, di ba? And they're able to show the agony after a disaster. So, very touching. Palaging sinasabi nila, it hits the spot when they perform.
Ay ma'am, natutuwa ako na talagang nabibigyang pansin internationally. Pero dito naman sa ating bansa.
Hirap, oo.
So
Alam
paano
mo,
how do we give our support
well,
to them?
media alone, the attention you're giving now, otherwise will be the best kept secret. Hindi kasing popular ng going to a World Beauty Contest or a global boxing, and we dearly appreciate our boxing champ, si Pacquiao, all the great beauty queens that have won for us, but they can also reap honors for the country. Pero medyo wala sa mindset ng media, hindi ba? Kasi parang hindi the beautiful and the strong, but the spirit is beautiful and the strength, yung stamina, yung perseverance, yung faith, nakakayanin nila. That's what we hope with this global stage na ibibigay ng UNESCO, higit na magiging parang ambassadors sila for the crisis that we are facing now. And my husband, who's a climate change commissioner, was in fact in UNESCO for 2 days and had meetings with the ocean head of UNESCO Asia Pacific, and wrote officially to the Director General about the need to have a special care to address the trauma, especially of children, di ba? Kailangan, kung hindi, talagang tuliro sila, hindi lang tuliro, they're so depressed that any study will tell you that you even limit the lifespan of kids that have undergone this kind of loss and despair. And we want to give inspiration and hope.
Yes.
Not to really feel so desolate, nakakayanin sa tulong na binibigay. I mean, nakakatuwa talaga ang ating mga kababayan din besides the foreigners. And the international community, I belong to the International Theatre Institute. It's the primus inter pares for the arts in UNESCO as an NGO. And we were able to pass the global resolution for a world performing arts capital for peace and sustainable development. So this will really be the beauty title for the arts. And ang Pilipinas, napakasiya talaga sa arts, hindi ba? And nakakatuwa, for instance, our friend in Brazil, who is in London, and is editor of the Global Education magazine, just wrote us and said, Cecile, I'm willing to organize a concert for the Filipinos that were affected. We have Creative Expedition Bureau from Russia, all the top artists, they're willing to give their paintings to be auctioned. And we were just talking with the Russian ambassador, Gudashev. And then we got a note from a Pulitzer Prize winner journalist that the Ninoy Aquino movement gave an award for, exposing the hidden billions of the conjugal dictatorship. And she wrote immediately, where can we send our dollars, donations, and all my friends. So nakikita mo, in the field of arts and media, there is such a tremendous support besides the governments, which we really have to appreciate.
Yes.
And ma'am, aside from yung Earth Savers na group, paano naman natin inaabot yung ibang mga PWDs para nga talagang mag-flourish yung talents nila? Is there any way na they can join?
We're asking, they can contact us, but we are connecting with TESDA para maging module ito for persons with disabilities, and this will become more accessible. This will show the inclusive growth mindset of our government.
Yes.
No? And then we are pushing for the Special Arts Education Bill for talaga in the curriculum. Kasi ngayon, for instance, one of our performers is already a first-year college at PNU. Si Maricor Book. It's wonderful that there is now a process na isali, hindi ka lang ihihiwalay. Because exclusivity, yung hinihiwalay mo sila, they cannot grow and you cannot mainstream them. So there's got to be a new mindset for integrative special arts education, whether it's in the formal curriculum or, as we're saying, we've been presenting this to TESDA to accept or acknowledge our module, which is already globally being not just premiered but showcased by UNESCO. And in fact, they asked our UNESCO Dream Center to assist them to develop this module the way they have bioethics manual na magagamit ito. So that's a wonderful achievement for our country, all of our team of artists who work on trauma. In fact, we have offered our creative team of artists in different parts of the country to be gathered and to come in. Kung merong medical team na nanggagaling, meron din itong special creative arts team that can help with psychologists to address the trauma that is being suffered by our survivors now.
Actually, isang sagot dun sa tinanong mo, Carla, no? Kasi napakagandang invitation ito ng UNESCO. Actually, this is a perfect opportunity for our PWDs kasi this is actually to raise awareness para dun sa capabilities at yung mga kaya nilang gawin through performing arts. So, yung mga kapatid natin na nandito pa na hindi pa talaga alam yung kanilang mga capabilities, isang way to yung ginawa ng UNESCO to create public awareness. So, yung mga makakasama po na magpo-perform doon, may chance po bang mapanood naming mga taga dito?
Syempre, that's why one of our performing team is a documenter. Susan will be it. And we hope to put it on YouTube and send it to you kasi you have been so hospitable to this concept. And that's how we hope we can share it. And then before we leave, we have a radio program, Balintataw. So all of them will speak. We will thank everybody who's trying to help us, who have this compassion. We're hoping that itong mga fly now, pay later plan, once they see the achievement, bubuksan rin nila ang kanilang puso para matulungan sila. Because if this is a policy and one of our satellite centers or our main center will be Makati University, but we have in Isabela State University, ISU, in all the different regions. This is to precisely provide accessibility for them And if TESDA adopts our module, which UNESCO is showcasing, magkakaroon ng more access ang mga persons with disabilities. Actually, we're talking of beauty contest with Tahanang Walang Hagdan. One of our blind singers joined. Meron silang beauty contest din, beauty and talent contest.
Cute naman.
Oh, nanalo ng talent contest yung aming isang member ng Earth Savers. So we need to equalize opportunity. Hindi pwedeng tokenism. Kunyari, magbibigay ng mga grant, yung mga buo lang ang katawan, ganun kadami. Of course, they're great, no? But you have to give that percentage as well to equalize opportunities for those with disabilities because they can be as great as all of the world class, hindi ba? Yung from Italy or sa America na kilalang mga blind singers. Kayang-kaya ng aming mga singers din. Our keyboardist is so versatile and a composer also, si Rico Del Rosario. Kayang-kaya na to go on that level. When they gave the UNESCO Artists for Peace Award, we were the first in the world that had disabilities. Panay mga entertainment stars like Celine Dion or royalty, katulad ng anak ni Princess Grace of Monaco, all Nobel laureates, di ba? Pero ito, mula sa Pilipinas, may kapansanan, pinili hinugot na talagang merong excellence and may special mission, the values education. Hindi lang kumakanta, hindi lang nagsasayaw, pero the whole theatrical performance is a cry to stop violence against mankind and Mother Earth. Tigil karahasan. At hayaan nating mamayani ang pakikibaka sa kahirapan, isulong ang kapayapaan, kalabanin ng climate change disasters, gawin natin ang ating mga katungkulan, may kapansanan ka man o wala, kung paano you can cut your carbon footprint, your water footprint. Ito kaya ng lahat at sama-sama, papakita natin sa mundo how we can rise above all of this crisis with the help and compassion of the world.
Alright, thank you so much. Talagang ang dami nating natutunan ngayong, Carla, lalo na yung mga kayang gawin ng non-PWDs, kayang gawin ng mga kapatid nating PWDs.
And sana talagang tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagsuporta sa kanila. So thank you so much for joining us
Tsaka
today.
paalala lang, birthday ni Ninoy. He's a martyr who cared for our country. I mean, if we care for those who really need help and compassion, that is heroism.
Alright.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
Once
so
again,
much.
that was Ma'am Cecil Guedote Alvarez.